Morning, students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying at home. But with the enjoyment, you have to do your studies. In our last videos, we have started the revision of Goodnight Anu, and we have already learned few new words. We have discussed the importance of reading and its benefits and effects on the development of our brain. And we have seen that how the reading affects on the fast development of our brain. It means we have to read at least a page daily after going at home from the school. Today we will explain the story in this video. As we know, the lesson is all about the love and the care that a father does for her daughter and the activities that Anu was habitual to do before going to the bed. So let us start a story now. Anu used to live in a little grey house. One night when it was raining and the drops were splatting on the windows and splatting on the doors, the Anu was waiting for her dad to put her in a bed. Dad came and asked Anu, "Are you ready, Anu, to sleep?" But she was not ready. She was perhaps waiting for something from her dad. Then, because Anu was habitual to do certain activities before going to the bed, then Dad poured milk into glasses and they both had a milk. It means the first activity that Anu was habitual to do before going to the bed is having a glass of milk. So they both had a glass of milk, and again her dad asked her to sleep, but still she was waiting for something. Then dad started reading a story book for Anu. It means the second activity that Anu was habitual to do before going to the bed is reading a story book. So the second activity that Anu was habitual to do was reading a story book. After reading a book, again he asked Anu to sleep, but again she was not ready. So then Dad reminded the next thing that he was forgetting to do for Anu. So the next thing was Anu's favorite blanket. Yes. So Dad pulled Anu's favorite blanket up to her chin and then asked Anu, "Now Anu, are you ready to sleep?" But still she was not ready. Still she was waiting for something. So Dad arranged her favorite teddy friend beside Anu because she was habitual to take her best friend Teddy beside her before going to sleep. As we know, most of the small kids or small babies, they are habitual to keep something or keep their favorite toys before going to the bed or before going to the sleep beside them. Similarly, Anu was also habitual to keep her best teddy friend beside her on bed before going. So father has arranged Anu's favorite teddy beside her and asked Anu, "Now Anu, I have already arranged your favorite teddy. Now are you ready to sleep?" Because it was getting very late and Dad was also feeling sleepy. Dad yawned and asked Anu, "Anu, are you ready now?" But still Anu was waiting. So Dad reminded all the things. Here you can see Anu is still waiting. So Dad reminded all the things. Dad remembered, we have taken a glass of milk. I have read a story book for Anu. We have learned all the new words. I have arranged Anu's favorite teddy, and also I have arranged Anu's favorite silky blanket. Now what is left? what is left? Then Dad suddenly remembered the thing that was left for Anu to sleep, and that was Anu's good night kiss. So the dad kissed Anu once, twice, and thrice and said, Anu, I love you, Anu. Now Anu was very happy and she was now feeling very peaceful. She said to Dad, now Dad, I got a kiss from you and now I am ready to sleep. So Dad switch off the fans and the door. So Anu's dad switch off the light and the door, and now the Anu slept peacefully on a dark stormy night with a love and care for her dad. So here the story is all about Anu and the activities that Anu was habitual to do before going to the bed. So here the explanation of our story ends. After this, I would like to ask you some questions, but before after that I would like to ask you some questions about the whole revision of Good Night Anu, and you have to give me the answer. Okay, so here I am putting you one blank space. Consider this space as your textbook page, and you have to write your answers or you have to write your responses here. As soon as I will ask the question, you have to listen very carefully and you have to write the answer there. Do you drink milk before you go to sleep? Like Anu, she was habitual to have a glass of milk with her father. Are you drink milk before going to the bed? Write your response. Okay. Now my next question is, what do Anu and her dad do after drinking milk? Means after drinking milk, what was the next activity that Anu and her dad do? Okay, so you have to write the correct response for that. What was the next activity? Okay, that they both used to do. Now my next question for you is, do you snuggle with your toys when you sleep? Means most of the students, most of the children, they are habitual to snuggle with their favorite toys. Like small babies we usually seen, they are habitual to take their favorite toy while sleeping also. They will never keep it aside. With that toy only they will get a sleep. So like this, do you also snuggle with your toys when you go to sleep? Tell me your answer or write down your answer. Now my next question for you is, who puts you to a bed? Means like Anu's father, he was always ready to put Anu to bed. Similarly, who puts you to the bed? Either your mother, your father, maybe your grandmother or grandfather, or maybe anyone else from your family. So write down your answer. Now my next question is, Anu waits for her dad's kiss before sleeping, right? What do you wait for? Like Anu, she was always waiting for her dad. She was always waiting for her dad's kiss. Even her dad has done all the activities for Anu to bed, but still she was waiting for her dad's kiss so that she can sleep peacefully. Now can you tell me, okay, what do you wait for before sleeping like Anu? Here we will stop and wait for our next video. Till then, enjoy, study well at home and be safe. Bye. Take care.